Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Audible Credits. Audible Credits are a fantastic benefit included with various membership plans, allowing you to expand your audiobook library. Think of each credit as a valuable voucher. It lets you acquire any single audiobook from Audible's vast collection, whether it's a new release or a classic, regardless of its listed cash price. This system offers great flexibility and value for listeners. Purchasing audiobooks with your credits is straightforward. You can easily do this on the Audible website or directly through the Audible app on your mobile device. When browsing, simply look for the 1 credit badge displayed on the audiobook's detail page. Once you find a title you love, select the option to buy it with 1 credit, then confirm your selection. It's a quick and easy way to add new stories to your library. It's important to understand that most Audible membership credits expire 12 months after they are issued. However, credits obtained through the App Store or Google Play generally do not expire. Depending on your plan, a certain number of unused credits might roll over to the next month, but there's usually a maximum limit. Remember, if you decide to cancel your Audible membership, any remaining unused credits will typically be lost, so use them wisely. To get the most value from your Audible credits, consider using them for audiobooks that cost more than the cash value of a single credit. Keep an eye out for special 2-for-1 sales, where you can acquire 2 titles for just 1 credit. If you find yourself low on credits, you can often purchase extra ones, typically in bundles of 3, provided your membership is active for over 30 days and you have fewer than 2 credits remaining. Also, explore Audible Originals, many of which are included with your membership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.